Today I'm going to be wiring the HVAC system into the main harness. All right, so got our LEDs all made up, ready to go. That's for the courtesy lights on the inside. You know, something that put under here, maybe off the fuse panel over there. But I got everything pretty much wired up. The only thing left, I got my e-brake, got my high beam headlight switch, I got my courtesy lights. And then, of course, I got to do the back end of the car. Of course, I got to clean some of this stuff up too. But I need to order in some of this stuff. Everybody has 3/4 inch. I need 1/2 inch. And so once I have that, I'm going to roll everything in and start getting all the relays and everything for the back. I'm still waiting on my door switches that I ordered. They're back ordered. I have no idea how long that's going to take to come in. So I'm going to kind of pre-wire everything and then wait for that to happen. And I'm shocked. I'm kicking ass here. I'm pleasantly surprised, I'll put it that way. So, and I feel good doing it. Like, I'm just really just knocking it out. So I'm super excited about that. Oh, and the last thing I need to do too is I've done the whole air conditioning system except for this AC switch, which is now a relay. and so that I still need to wire up and put into the car. So that courtesy lights make special little harness for my e-brake and for the light headlight switch, because I move those to the left side of the driver's wheel. And then we're pretty much good. The only other thing that I don't have, and I haven't even thought of, and I haven't even looked at yet, is the car actually comes with some LEDs for like turn signals and maybe, you know, your lights are on type of stuff. And, you know, literally they're just like a micro dot LED. And, you know, I don't know if I should put a left and a right and a headlight, you know, like right there, or maybe over here somewhere, or don't use them. I'm not really sure yet. So I also have that kind of warning LED that I wanted to use for my wireless system to make sure that all my solenoids and everything are shut off while the car's on. So I don't know. Haven't gotten to that point yet, but man, I'm really just jazzed about all this stuff. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.